In the summer of 1985, the northern coast of Papua New Guinea was hit by an earthquake followed by a devastating series of large waves that destroyed villages and lives. The incident and subsequent news coverage brought the public's attention to this natural phenomenon called a tsunami. Tsunamis are our topic for today's lesson. What is a tsunami? The literal meaning of this Japanese word is harbor wave. The tsunami is often confused with the tidal wave. A tidal wave is an extreme swell in the tide caused by the gravitational pull of the sun and moon. Its immense power is seen on the surface of the water while deep below in the wave. It is relatively calm. The power of the tsunami, on the other hand, runs from the surface to the ocean floor. Why do tsunamis run as deep as they do? Tsunamis are caused by a seismic disturbance or violent geological activity on the ocean floor. Examples are undersea landslides, earthquakes, and volcanic eruptions, as these disturbances may cause, for example, the ocean floor to rise. The water above the floor are also rise, creating a series of concentric waves that might cover thousands of miles. Tsunamis travel surprisingly fast, at 500 or more miles per hour in deep water. Deep water would be 600 feet or more in depth. Despite this speed, in deep water, tsunamis are relatively harmless. This is because the waves at this point generally do not exceed 10 feet in height, and there is a great distance between crests, giving the waves a gradual incline. Crest. にゃんにゃん But as the tsunami gets closer to the shoreline, its destructive power increases. Destructive power increases. Our previously fast-moving tsunami in deep water now must confront the shallow water close to land. The friction with the ocean floor begins to slow the waves down. The bulk of the wave is naturally deeper than the front of the wave and traveling a little faster. やばい。Our previously first moving tsunami in deep water now must confront the shallow water close to the land. The friction with the ocean floor begins to slow the wave down. The back of the wave is naturally deeper than the front of the wave, so traveling a little faster. This complex wave changing will decrease the velocity to increase the height. なるほどね。わかったわかった。そうなんや。へえ。知らんかった。そういうことね。だから陸の近くででかくなるのね。The friction with the ocean floor begins to slow the wave down. The back of the wave is naturally deeper than the front of the wave, traveling a little faster. This compresses the wave, changing the decrease in velocity into increased height. Some as high as 135 feet. At the same time, the trailing waves catching up with the wave in front. But the time the tsunami is ready to break, it might be a wall of water as high as 170 feet. You can imagine the damage that results when the wave breaks. Let's look at some photographs from the Pacific Basin where most tsunamis occur. これ